Hi, welcome to my country. Good afternoon. So, welcome to your villa. I'm gonna give you a little tour for your villa. On this side, we have the snack bar, and it comes with a price. So, if you want the prices, we can send it to you on WhatsApp. And your drinking glasses and wine glasses are here. And here in our kitchen, we have stove. So, actually, you can use this and also the oven. And just let us know if you need assistance for this. And also here, everything is complete. Let's move on to this side. On this side, we have our toilet. So you have toilet here downstairs. And this side is your living area. It's called the sunken living room. So we have TV here. You can use Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. Let's go outside. Let's check here. So welcome to your outdoor dining area. You can also cook here. And here is our bar area. Actually, we have a griller.
Hi,
so
Chef.
Hi, Chef. We will put our griller tomorrow because it will be available tomorrow. So now, we are now here on your infinity pool with the perfect view of the sunset. It's the master's bedroom. So, come in. Yeah. So next is your master's bathroom.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So let's go to the guest bedroom. Welcome to the guest bedroom. It's actually the same on the master's bedroom, but it's a bit smaller. So,
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just sweet. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me.
Pwede ba ako mag-intern dito?
ask namin yung manager.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here